VLOOKUP is a powerful Excel function that lets you look up a value in the first column of a table or range, and then VLOOKUP will return information from the row of the table where that value is found. This video shows you how to do an exact match VLOOKUP. In this example, I want to enter a month number in cell C3, for example the month 8, and then I want VLOOKUP to look into this table, find the row that has 8 on it, and return the month name, which is August, and place it into this month name cell in C5. To type the VLOOKUP function, we'll begin with an equal sign and the word VLOOKUP, and then open a parenthesis. Excel is going to help me by showing me the parameters that it wants in the function. First, it wants the lookup value. This is the number 8, so I will go ahead and click on C3 and then press a comma. Next, it wants the table array or range where all of my lookup information is being stored. I'll go ahead and select that whole range and press a comma. Next, it wants the column index number. This is the column number that contains the information that I want brought back, but I start counting with the first column of the range that I selected. So for me, this is month number is column 1, month name is column 2, month abbreviation would be column 3. I want column 2, which is the month name. I'll go ahead and put 2 here. And the last thing it wants is true or false. And for me, because I'm doing an exact match VLOOKUP, I want false. So I'll type in false and hit parenthesis, and then I'll hit enter. Notice that it worked. It brought back August. If I change the 8 to a 2, it changes August to February. Perfect, it's working just as it should. Here's my formula.